Unleashing creativity and performance, the new HP OmniBook Ultra next-gen AI PCs. In an age where innovation meets intelligence, the HP OmniBook Ultra next-gen AI PCs stand out as the ultimate companions for creators, professionals, and tech-savvy users. Designed with next-generation artificial intelligence at their core, these devices offer more than just computing. They deliver a personalized, high-performance experience that adapts to your life, your work, and your passions. Experience the power of AI. At the center of the HP OmniBook Ultra series lies powerful, AI-driven processing. Users can choose between the Intel Core Ultra processors, offering up to 48 TOPS, trillion operations per second, or the AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors, delivering up to 55 TOPS of AI processing power. This means faster workflows, smarter multitasking, and seamless execution of AI-intensive applications, from video and image editing to real-time collaboration and automation. AI accelerates not only productivity but also creativity. Whether you're a digital artist, engineer, student, or content creator, the HP OmniBook Ultra's intelligent performance tailors itself to the tasks at hand, learning from your usage habits to provide speed, efficiency, and an intuitive computing experience. 2 dynamic models to fit your lifestyle. HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 2-in-1 laptop. Versatility takes center stage with the OmniBook Ultra Flip, a convertible laptop that transitions effortlessly between laptop, tablet, tent, and reverse modes. Its standout 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreen features a 16:10 aspect ratio and 48-120 Hz variable refresh rate, providing ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant color accuracy for both creative work and immersive media consumption. This model also includes optional stylus support, perfect for digital drawing, note-taking, and precision editing. Its lightweight design, durable Corning Gorilla Glass, and bold color options, atmospheric blue and eclipse gray, make it as stylish as it is functional. HP OmniBook Ultra 14 laptop. Prefer a more traditional setup? The standard HP OmniBook Ultra 14 laptop is a powerhouse of performance and efficiency. With the latest AMD Ryzen AI processors, a 2.2K touchscreen, and AMD FreeSync technology, it offers a rich and tear-free visual experience ideal for content creation, gaming, or media streaming. The sleek Meteor Silver finish adds a professional touch, while the ultra-efficient battery gives you up to 22 hours of usage, enough to power through even the most demanding days. Boost productivity with HP AI Companion. To complement its AI hardware, HP introduces the HP AI Companion, a software suite designed to elevate everyday tasks through smart automation and personalized tools. The Companion includes 3 powerful modes: Discover, search for ideas, get creative inspiration, or simply ask questions using AI-powered intelligence. Analyze, dive deep into your own documents, summarize reports, compare files, and get actionable insights quickly. Perform, optimize your PC's performance with smart background adjustments, personalized settings, and proactive troubleshooting. The AI Companion seamlessly integrates into your digital life, helping you do more in less time. Built for creativity, designed for play. Whether you're editing a 4K video, streaming your favorite content, or gaming on the go, the OmniBook Ultra delivers stunning visuals and immersive audio. The OLED and AMD FreeSync displays ensure vibrant colors, deeper contrasts, and a buttery smooth viewing experience. Paired with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X memory, ultra-fast SSD storage, and premium integrated graphics, these devices make multitasking effortless and entertainment more engaging. Confidence with HP Wolf Security. With more of our lives happening online, security is non-negotiable. That's why the HP OmniBook Ultra comes equipped with HP Wolf Security, previously available only to commercial devices. This robust security platform features a self-healing BIOS and built-in hardware protection to shield your device from malware, phishing, and cyber threats, keeping your data private and your system running smoothly. Designed for a sustainable future. HP takes sustainability seriously. The OmniBook Ultra lineup is built using 85% recycled metals and 50% post-consumer recycled plastics, making them not only powerful and beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. Certified with a PEAT Gold with Climate Plus and Energy Star, these laptops are built with energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact in mind. Next-level collaboration and connectivity. Stay connected like never before with Wi-Fi 7 and Windows Studio effects. Combined with a 9MP high-resolution webcam and Poly Camera Pro, you can video call in crisp detail, even in low light, with features like automatic framing and background blur. Whether you're working remotely, learning online, or catching up with loved ones, your collaboration experience is always crystal clear. Copilot Plus PC Ready. All OmniBook Ultra models are Copilot Plus PC ready, meaning they will receive free updates to Microsoft's Copilot Plus AI features when available. This ensures your device stays cutting edge, with access to real-time AI enhancements across your favorite apps and services. Complete your setup with HP accessories. From 4K Thunderbolt 4 monitors to ergonomic keyboards, wireless mice, and HD webcams, HP offers a full ecosystem of accessories to complement your OmniBook Ultra. Whether you're building a home office, streaming studio, or creative workspace, you can expand your productivity and create your perfect desk setup. Final thoughts: the future of personal computing starts here. The HP OmniBook Ultra next-gen AI PCs are more than just laptops, they're smart, powerful, and beautifully designed companions for the modern digital lifestyle. Whether you're unleashing your creativity, powering through your workday, or diving into entertainment, there's an OmniBook Ultra that fits your life. Ready to transform your digital experience? Explore the HP OmniBook Ultra series today and discover the PC that thinks with you.